Hello engineering students. If you're watching this video, that means you have all three technical drawings done of exercise 136. So you have the body done, you have this roller done, and you have the pin done. You also have the assembly done, and you also should have the exploded view, this view right here. What you're going to need to do next is open up each of those files. Let's open up the body first. Go to your file, iProperties, make sure your physical tab matches mine. So the material should be steel for the body. Let's check the roller. Opening the roller, go to File, iProperties, Physical. The material should be ABS plastic and a color. To make it a different color, go to the Tools menu, click Adjust, highlight the whole part, and change it to whatever color you wish. Click Save. Make sure you click Save on the body. I forgot to click Save. Well, I didn't change anything on the body, so it doesn't matter. And go to the pin, open your pin, and go to File, iProperties, and Physical. For this one, it's steel alloy. And click Close. Alright, now open up your custom template and click on Base. Find your exploded view assembly. Let's go to this one. I think it's this one. Yeah, there it is. And make sure that it fits on your page. So let's try half scale. Let's try our 1:1. 1:1 scale. Looks like it'll work. I'm going to move that off to the right. And we're going to leave it shaded and click OK. For this technical drawing, we're going to keep it sort of simple. We're not going to add dimensions on this because you already did that with the technical drawings. But for this one, we need a parts list. So click on Parts List. Click on your assembly file and click OK. Click OK and place it. It says the following items need to be updated. So probably means that this file right here just needs a save. So good thing I had it open, and hopefully that fixes whatever problem it was having. Alright, now place your parts list in the top left, make any size adjustments as needed, and we're going to be changing, we're going to be adding different columns here. So we want the item and the quantity, we want the part number, and go ahead and double click on that. Click on the item chooser. Let me see if this works. So if I try and zoom in here, let me try this. Oh, I hope that worked on screen. Oh, it didn't stick. All right, it'll be edited. So click on the column chooser, description. We're going to remove that. Leave item, leave quantity, leave part number. Scroll down. We need material, and we need mass. And add. Click OK. Click apply and OK. Now right click on one of the words and click on Edit Parts List Style. So for the note, column, and data, click on the little pencil. Make it Technic for each of these. So yes, over on the left I just clicked on label text. Click on Technic and click on Standard. Yes. Make it Technic. Click on Text. Yes. And that looks good. Drop down the table. Click on the table ANSI. That should all be Technic. Okay, save and close. Now I've updated the parts list to the correct font style. Let's move this around a little bit. Open that up like that so that we can see the part materials, and then open the mass so that you can see the mass. Alright, now we're going to then add our balloons. So click the balloon button, click on your body, and it should attach a balloon. Click one more time, and then right click continue. Click on the pin, click, right click continue, click on the roller, click, right click continue. Alright, now I don't like the way this parts looks. Escape. Let's move it up and snap it into the corner there. Let's see if I can make this look a little neater. It's too much space taken up. Alright, you need to know how to do certain things in Inventor in order to either pass a competition exam or the Nocti exam. We're going to try something new in this lesson. I'm going to click Text Tool, and I'm going to see if this works. I'm trying this out for the first time. It's going to be adding the total weight. So when you add text here, type in total weight, and then drop down this menu, and I think it should be try physical properties model and then mass, and then click on this add text parameter. Move that out of the way. Oh, I think it worked. And then click OK. Escape. You gotta click on it, grab this little green circle so that it all fits on one thing. I don't want it under it. So that's how we find the total mass. If that's not working, what we can do then is use a calculator, add up all the masses, and write it out using the text tool. So you got to be versatile, got to be flexible. Sometimes those things don't work. Sometimes it requires a different way to do it. Sometimes they might ask you to put it in the title block. And that way you would have to go into your title block and edit the definition and add it the same way I just showed you. And I believe, what else do we need? I think that's it for this. So this is all I'm looking for the assembled exploded view of this exercise. Of course, make sure in your iProperties, your summary, the author is your full name. The title is Exercise 136, and click Apply. Also, always make sure that you're using the correct date. So if you just made it today, make sure it says today's date. And there you have it. Your Exercise 136 in the exploded view on a technical drawing, including the parts list, the bubbles, and its total weight.